Hey guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit cash on Wise. So simply in order to do this, first of all log into your Wise account, and after that here you can see the home option. So simply just you have to click here, and here you can see I have already opened many balances here. So simply just in order to deposit the cash, so just you have to click on this plus button, and after that just you will move to next page. So simply just here, what do you want to open, balance or jar? So simply just click on balance, click on open, and now here choose a currency that you want to deposit cash. Like I have selected British pound. After that click on confirm, and now here you can see we have added currency. Now click here on add, and simply here how much amount do you want to add. Simply just I have typed 1000, and simply after that click on continue. So after that here you have to complete your verification process, and in this way, after your verification process is completed, simply you can add your bank account number, and in this way you can deposit cash in Wise.